welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. Let's begin with chapter number 7 of English, and the name of the chapter is Forming Comparative and Superlative Adjectives. So, how can we form the comparative and the superlative adjectives? Right? That is what we are going to learn. As we all know that adjectives are having 3 degrees of comparison. That is positive, comparative, and the superlative, right? So, positive degrees are the original adjectives that we use in the sentence. But in the comparative and superlative degrees, we have to transform the adjectives to their comparative and superlative forms respectively. So, how do we form those comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives while using them in the sentences? So, that is what we are going to learn. So let us begin with the chapter for knowing more. First of all, we have one syllable adjective. Now, what are these one syllable adjectives actually? Form the comparative and superlative forms of one syllable adjective by adding er for the comparative form and est for the superlative form, right? So what they are saying is कि comparative और superlative forms के लिए one syllable adjective यानी कि उसमें हम सिर्फ er उसके comparative form में और est उसके superlative form में add कर सकते हैं, right? After that, we have some examples, that is one syllable ending with e and comparative form, then superlative form, right? So first one is tall. तो as you can see कि हमने tall को उसके comparative form में convert करते ही उसके आगे er add कर दिया. So it became taller, right? And in the same way we did with tall in the superlative form, we added est to the word, right? And hence we have got the superlative form of the adjective, right? So tall, taller, tallest. Yes. Next is old. Same goes with the old we are going to do. Older, oldest. Long, longer, longest. Right? तो हमने सभी चीजों में यही किया कि हमने क्या किया, उसके ओरिजिनल वर्ड में कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने उसमें er ऐड कर दिया और उसको सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने est ऐड कर दिया, right? So this is how we can simply form the comparative and the superlative forms of adjective, right? Moving ahead, now they are saying that if the one syllable adjective ends with an e, just add r for the comparative form and st for the superlative form. So now they are saying कि अगर आपके word में already वहां पर e पे वो खत्म हो रहा है, right? So what you are going to do? You are simply going to add r in the comparative form and st in the superlative form because the word is already ending on e. So we are not going to add one more e, right? So as you can see कि हमारे पास कुछ examples हैं one syllable adjectives ending with e, comparative form and their superlative form, right? So large becomes larger, largest. Wise becomes wiser and wisest, right? So as you can see हमने simply सिर्फ r add किया दोनों words में और st add किया दोनों words because they are already ending on e, right? After that, next situation that we have is if the one syllable adjectives end with a single consonant with a vowel before it, double the consonant and add er for the comparative form and double the consonant and add est for the superlative form. अब they are saying कि अगर कोई ऐसा word है जो कि खत्म तो consonant पे हो रहा है but उससे पहले हमारे पास एक vowel भी है, right? So what we are going to do? We are going to double the last word, that is consonant, और उसके बाद comparative form में er लगा देंगे और superlative form में est add कर देंगे, right? So what we have done here is one syllable adjective, comparative form and superlative form, right? So what are the examples? Big, bigger, बिगेस्ट। एज यू कैन सी कि हमने लास्ट वर्ड डबल कर दिया और उसमें ER ऐड कर दिया। सेम लास्ट वर्ड डबल कर दिया और उसमें EST ऐड कर दिया। आफ्टर दैट थिन, थिनर एंड थिनेस्ट, राइट। तो ऑल दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स, जैसे कि ऊपर हमें सिचुएशन समझाई गई है, राइट। मूविंग अहेड, नेक्स्ट वी हैव द टू सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स। अब जो टू सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स हैं उन्हें कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? अभी तक हम वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वन सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स, नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द टू सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स, राइट। सो with the most two syllable adjectives, you form the comparative with more and the superlative with most. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जहां पर भी दो वर्ड्स टू सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं, राइट, वहां पर हम उसके कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में वर्ड से पहले मोर लगा देते हैं और उसी वर्ड में सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में वर्ड से पहले मोस्ट लगा देते हैं, राइट। So this is how we convert the two syllable adjectives in their comparative in and their superlative form, right? So here we have some examples, two syllable adjectives, comparative and superlative. So the word peaceful becomes more peaceful and most peaceful. Pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant. Careful, more careful, most careful. Thoughtful, more thoughtful, most thoughtful, right? Now, after that, the next thing that we have is, if the two syllable adjectives end with Y, change the Y to I and add ER for the comparative form, and for the superlative form, change the Y to I and add EST. So now they are talking about the adjectives जो कि Y पे खत्म हो गए हैं। अब Y के लिए हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to replace the Y with I and simply we will add ER to the comparative form and EST to the superlative form, right? So as you can see, two syllable adjectives ending with Y. This is the comparative form and this is the superlative form. So happy becomes happier and happiest. Angry becomes angrier and angriest. Busy becomes busier and busiest, right? After that, moving ahead, the next rule that we have is two syllable adjectives ending in ER, LA or OW take ER and EST to form the comparative and superlative forms. So now जो two syllable adjectives हैं जो कि end होते हैं ER, LE, OW, उनमें हम ER और EST add कर देते हैं respectively in their comparative and their superlative forms, right? So जैसे कि यहाँ पर examples हैं two syllable adjective, comparative form and the superlative form. Narrow becomes narrower and narrowest. Gentle becomes gentler and gentlest, right? After that, we have adjectives with three or more syllables. अब वो adjectives जिनमें एक या adjectives जिसमें तीन या फिर तीन से ज्यादा syllables होते हैं, हम उसमें क्या करते हैं? Let's have a look. For adjectives with three syllables or more, we form the comparative with more and the superlative with most. कि adjectives जिनमें तीन या तीन से ज्यादा syllables होते हैं, वो उनमें हम comparative form उनकी बनाते हैं by adding more before the word और superlative form बनाते हैं by adding most before the word, right? Let's have a look on the examples. Adjective with three or more syllables, comparative form and superlative form, right? So the examples are generous, more generous, most generous, important, more important and most important, right? After that, moving ahead, now we have some irregular adjectives. Now what are these irregular adjectives? Irregular adjectives होते हैं जिसमें हम ना तो er ऐड कर सकते हैं ना ही est ऐड कर सकते हैं, right? What do? We change the whole word to get it into the comparative form and the superlative form, right? So what we are going to do is, let's have a look on the examples. That is irregular adjective, comparative form and superlative form. So how do we convert them? Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Right? These are known as the irregular adjectives. After that, we have two-syllable adjectives that follow two. These adjectives can be used with er and est with more and most, right? So अब ये है टू सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स जो कि दो रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, राइट? इन एडजेक्टिव्स में हम er और est और मोर और मोस्ट दोनों ही लगा सकते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि वी हैव टू सिलेबल एडजेक्टिव्स, we have two syllable adjectives, comparative form and the superlative form, right? So, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever, more clever and most clever. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Gentle, more gentle and most gentle. Friendly, friendlier, friendliest. Friendly, more friendly and most friendly. Quiet, quieter, quietest. Quiet, more quiet, most quiet. Simple, simpler, simplest. Simple, more simple and most simple. Right? So these are the adjectives जिसमें हम er और est दोनों उसके कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में ऐड कर सकते हैं और वही हम उन्हीं वर्ड्स के साथ मोर और मोस्ट को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, राइट? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something from this. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.